Hello everyone, today we are talking about how to produce the cast stainless steel exhaust manifolds. I will tell you the details. Our factory, Ningbo Tianhui Machine Company, have produced a lot of stainless steel cast exhaust manifolds. We have rich experience, and please visit our website cast-exhaustmanifolds.com. You will find more information. Okay, so now please let me briefly introduce the process. It can be divided into 6 major steps. The first one is confirm the drawings, and then once the drawing is confirmed, then we need to make some casting mold. Number 3, it's very important to do the investment castings. Once the investment castings is like this, this is the investment casting part without machining. Once we got the investment casting parts like this, we need to do the straightings. I will explain it later. 5 steps is to do the machining. Then we need to do the inspections. Now let me introduce the details. The first step is to confirm the drawings. It is very important because we make the mold according to the drawings, and some drawings are scanned according to customers' samples. It is very important to confirm the drawing at the beginning steps. So once the drawing is confirmed, then we will let our mold supply to make the mold. It is not easy to design and make the mold for the stainless steel exhaust manifold. The engineer needs to consider many things, such like the pour gate, the runners, and sometimes they need to use computer simulation to check if the mold design is correct or not. Once we receive the casting mold, the next step is to do the investment casting. The investment casting is a very complicated process. We need to make the wax patterns, then make the ceramic shell. Then pour the melting stainless steel into the ceramic shell to get the casting parts. The investment casting is also called the precision castings. It has a lot of advantages, such as a very small casting tolerance, very smooth surface qualities, and sharp details. The investment casting is very important. It is also very difficult. As the engineer must need to overcome many difficulties, such like deformations. What is the deformation? Deformation means the casting parts does not conform to the drawings. It is a very serious problem because in a modern cars, the exhaust manifold is fit into a very small space. If the casting parts is deformed, the outlets like this maybe cannot properly connect to the exhaust pipe. So it is a very serious problems. The deformation can cause because the bad mold designs, high wax pattern temperatures, wrong casting process, such things like this. So as casting foundries, we need to do our best to reduce the deformations. Our engineer have a lot of have a rich experience to control, to reduce the deformations, such like put the wax pattern into cooled waters to reduce the temperatures, or use several jigs like this for the wax patterns. Although we have to do our best to reduce the casting deformation during the investment casting process, but sometimes the casting parts is still deformed. Then we need to do the straightings. Please watch these videos. It shows how to do the straightings. First, we need to have the hydraulic press. Then we need to design and make the straightening fixture. This is the fixtures. And third, we need to know how to do the straightings. The outlet of this exhaust manifold is deformed. If we don't deal with it, it can't properly connect to the hydraulic pipe. So we must to do the straightings. We use the hydraulic press to press this outlet, so make it to reach the drawing requirement. So this is the straightings. It is very important. The fifth step is to do the CNC machinings. Please watch this video. As you can see, we have 4x CNC centers. This is 4x CNC centers. We use CNC center to machine it. So it has a very small tolerance. The machine surface quality is also really good. Stainless steel is not it's difficult for machining because it is harder and it will produce a lot of heat during the machining. So our factory is very good at machining stainless steel. So we have strong CNC centers and advanced cutting inserters. As you know, there are two kinds of cast exhaust manifold: the cast iron and the stainless steels. If the factory like us can produce stainless steels, we certainly can produce the cast iron. But if the factory are good at machining the cast irons, they may not able to produce the stainless steel cast exhaust manifolds. The final step is to do the inspections. In our factories, we do 100% inspections. We mainly check the surface qualities, do appearance inspections, and we will check the dimensions of those machined plates. Thank you for watching this. I think you have known the major steps of how to produce exhaust manifolds. If you have more questions, please feel free to contact me.